Hi, so right now we're gonna learn how to withdraw our earnings from our Crowd1 to our Coinbase. So let's do that right now. So you'll have your Coinbase ready and have your Crowd1 back office also ready. Once you have those both ready, let's get started. So all you have to do is go on your profile and then go to withdraw Bitcoin. Now, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna show you a balance like this. See over here, it says account balance and it says a number, NBP. BP stands for business points. And over here, it's gonna say amount to withdraw. So you just enter how the amount that you want, and then over here you enter the Bitcoin address. Okay, and the minimum is I believe 1,150, but there's no maximum. I think I'm not sure, but anyway, you enter the amount of business points here, and what it does is that it's gonna be sent to your Coinbase in the form of Bitcoin. Also, if you wanna calculate this business points in euro, you just have to move one decimal place to your left, and it's in euro. So for example, here we have 3,018 business points, and if you move this by one decimal to the left, it's gonna be 301.8 euro, basically. Anyways, now I want you to go to your Coinbase, and now we're gonna look for our Bitcoin address, and we get that over here in our Coinbase. So go to your Coinbase and go on Send and Receive. Click on Send and Receive, and now we're gonna wait, and we're gonna go to Receive. We're gonna go to Receive there. Let's go to Receive. Make sure you have selected Bitcoin wallet, and this over here would be your Bitcoin address. This one over here. Make sure you copy that correctly. And then you can do that by clicking this, or you can either just highlight it and copy it. You can like highlight it and copy it by clicking to the left, by clicking on the left of your mouse pad or your mouse and dragging it all the way here, and then just right clicking it and then copying it, and then that's how you get your Bitcoin address. And then you go to your Crowd1, and then you paste your Bitcoin address here and the amount of withdrawal here. But hold on. So I'm gonna paste my Bitcoin address here, and I'm gonna withdraw my business points, and I wanna withdraw all of it, right? And I'm gonna press this requires withdrawal. So make sure this Bitcoin address is correct. Yep, it's accurate. Yeah, it's accurate. And then the amount of business points. Yeah. So that's my maximum I can withdraw. It only wants us to withdraw whole numbers, not decimal. So 3,018 business points, we're gonna withdraw it. And yeah, request withdrawal. Code has been mailed to you. So code emailed. Bitcoin transfer of 3,018 BP has been confirmed. Has been mailed to you. Oh crap. Oh, so I just log into my email because the the code was sent to my email. So I'm just gonna look for it in my email right away, and then I'm gonna okay. And now Now we're gonna go over here on transactions. So just go over here on transactions, you'll see it. And then over here, this just shows you, this shows you all of your previous withdrawals. So these are my previous withdrawals, and this one is the current one that we were doing. So right now, a code has been emailed to my email. So I checked my email earlier. Because you guys need to see all of that, but I just look at my email and then I saw the code, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna enter the code over here. It's a 6-character code. And I'm just gonna enter it here. So this is the Bitcoin address of where I sent it to. This is the amount, and this is where I entered the thing. So I'm just gonna enter it. So I'm done entering the code, and right now it's just waiting. So once you've entered the code, it's gonna say waiting on the status, and you're just gonna have to wait. And over here, it shows the date and time of when I withdrawed it. So yeah, and that's it. So that's it for this tutorial. That's how you withdraw your business points to your Coinbase account in Crowd1, and that is it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.